Hey everybody, it's Michelle Mitten Prepper. I just spent 4 hours in the grocery store. I went to my usual Kroger, check out some deals, of course, you know me. I had my list of some things, filling in some gaps. Super mega deals. This has been a first ever time happening to me where I made the mistake of not paying with cash. Let this please be a lesson to any and all of you listening or watching this, that after I spend about an hour plus in the store gathering everything that I had an entire cart full. And the bottom part, tons of clearance deals. Everything under the sun you can imagine that you would want to find on clearance, more than half off or half off at least. Just, oh my gosh. I'm still trying to calm down just a little bit. I'm getting there. But today I made the mistake of using my bank card. I usually don't. I scanned the million items that I had. Everything was bagged up. Payment went through. Then all of a sudden this error message came up. No, I was waiting for my receipt to pop up and be on my way. Well, that didn't happen. It did not happen. I did not get a receipt, and a gal came over and it said that there was an error of some sort. I don't know what it was, exactly what it said, but she did one little tap on that computer screen and it was frozen. So needless to say, I had to take my cart full of all the things and go over to a different area. It's going to be a simple fix or whatever. I was like, is this out of paper? Where's my receipt? Anyhow, she tried doing a few things. Then I was losing my patience after an hour. I was really losing my patience. I had my daughter with me. She is home with me today. Usually she would be at camp. I'm glad it was meant to be that she was not there today, because I would not have been able to be there on time to pick her up. I would have had to leave the store. Right now it is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. 3 o'clock in the afternoon. A total of 5+ hours in that store. I have some pictures of things I can put on here, but I have nothing in my hands, which makes me upset a little bit. So, my mistake. I should have just used the cash that I always have on me. It was a blast with all the things that I found until this glitch. This system was completely down. I checked my account and the money was pending already in there because they could not cancel it. They could not do anything. It made me nervous because of, you hear about cyber attack stuff going on, crazy stuff that's going on now that we never had to worry about before. You like my hair? This is called Michelle was stuck in a grocery store for 4 hours, kind of hair crazy day. Knowing that there was almost $400 pending out of my account that I could not stop. Anyhow, I tried to stay patient, but it was extremely difficult. I probably will not use my card again. My mistake. That was my mistake. Almost $400 of my money is in limbo, and I cannot do anything to change it. Hard lesson learned. I'm the one that always says to pay cash. I did not take my own advice, and I highly regret it. If it was any kind of a cyber attack or bank hacking, anything under the sun. But anyhow, I learned my own hard lesson today. I guess the moral of the story is use your own advice. Don't do a Michelle. Don't do me. Carry your cash like I recommend and use your cash. I will share this with you. I'm not embarrassed to show it what happened and what I did wrong. I should have done otherwise, because I want others to learn what mistakes I have made. And this is one of them. I would show you all the things if I actually got to bring them home with me, but I did not. Darn it, I'm mad. I'm so mad. I hope y'all are doing well. I love you all. God bless you. Stay safe. I will see you in hopefully a happier sounding, better outcome video soon. So, take care.